In this video, we are going to see how we can get back all of these old settings that we used to do in the earlier version of Windows, but you find it very difficult to access in Windows 11. Here is how you can get to these settings so that you can change everything manually. Let's say that you want to change the date, you want to change the time, you can do it all together manually. And also we can customize different date formats. Let's say that we only want to mention the day and not the year in the taskbar. You can easily do that. You can also show only month or a specific format where and how you want to see the currency, time or date. So in Windows 11, it's a little bit complex. If you right click on it, in the previous version, it was used to adjust date and time and it will just directly go in that option. But if you click on adjust date and time, it will head over to this kind of area, which you can access with the settings as well. Just right here, settings, and you click on time and language and it will land to the same area. From here, you can change the time zone, region, date and time, and all the basic functions, but you don't have the option to set that manually. But here also we have a lot of useful options. Let's say that you want to completely hide the time and date. You can easily just toggle that off and you don't have to do anything else. It will be gone from system tree. Similarly, you can uncheck this and you can change the date easily from here. You don't have to switch through the calendar. It has some very easy options, but still it will not get you the complete menu, although it's very easy to do this from here. You can also sync the time if you feel that the current time is different. You can click on sync now and it will be synced immediately. But that brings us all to the option that we need to see to configure it all manually. What you can do is just open up the start menu. We have to open the control panel here. Click on clock and region and click on set date and time. That is where you get the old previous options. Click on change date and time, calendar settings, administrative settings, and additional settings, whatever you want to access. And then we have manual options to set the numbers, currency, time, and date. So that's how you bring back the old menu to change the date and time settings manually. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.